Hey there, fellow architecture fans. Today we're soaring through the skies of Japan to witness some of its most breathtaking natural and architectural wonders from a bird's eye view. Get ready, because this journey is going to be nothing short of spectacular. First up, we're gliding over the iconic Tokyo Tower. Standing tall at 333 meters, it's inspired by the Eiffel Tower, but with a distinctly Japanese twist. From up here, you can see the sprawling metropolis of Tokyo spread out beneath us. Now shifting gears, let's head towards the serene beauty of Mount Fuji. This majestic peak is not just Japan's tallest mountain, but a symbol of natural perfection. Snow-capped and surrounded by lush greenery, Mount Fuji is a sight that truly takes your breath away. Next, we're cruising over the Meiji Shrine, nestled in a forest right in the heart of Tokyo. This peaceful oasis, dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shokin, offers a stark contrast to the bustling city around it. From above, the shrine's traditional architecture harmonizes beautifully with the surrounding nature. Heading back to the urban landscape, we find ourselves over Shibuya Crossing, the world's busiest pedestrian intersection. Watching hundreds of people cross in perfect harmony from above is a fascinating sight. It's a testament to the organized chaos that makes Tokyo so unique. Now, let's venture to the ancient city of Kyoto. From our vantage point, we can see the stunning Kinkaku-ji, or the Golden Pavilion. This Zen Buddhist temple, covered in gold leaf, reflects beautifully in the surrounding pond, creating a postcard-perfect image. Our aerial journey continues to the futuristic Odaiba District. Here you can spot the uniquely designed Fuji TV building and the giant Unicorn Gundam statue standing guard. This area showcases Japan's innovative spirit and its blend of tradition and modernity. Finally, let's soar over the tranquil Arashiyama bamboo grove. From above, the towering bamboo stalks create a mesmerizing green canopy that's both calming and awe-inspiring. It's a perfect end to our aerial adventure. Thanks for flying high with me over Japan's stunning landscapes and architectural masterpieces. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing aerial views. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep exploring.